Alright guys, it's a Thursday morning. We have we have somebody up on a ladder. They're hooking up the electric to the building across the street where there's been some construction. I don't know how this is going to work out, but that's scary. I would not be up there dealing with all them power lines. Anyway, that was a big blank wall. Going out to take a walk. Have my meeting tomorrow with a gentleman from the school from Phnom Penh. And I think I'm going to get out of here before anything bad happens. Hey, puppy. Oh. That's the other dog that hangs around down here. He's kind of buddies with the one that hides under my bed. They cause all kinds of troubles and ruckus at night when they get to playing. Hey, fellas. Already had one cup of coffee. I think I'm going in for round 2. This guy here's got beer though. He's probably gonna beer?
Yes.
Beer? Oh, by the way, here's the new kitchen, the new restaurant that just opened up a few doors down from my house. There's some of the menu items, good prices, just about right. Ooh, deep fried fish with mango salad. That sounds good. Crispy fried chicken. Whole bunch of other offerings. The nice building called Watbo Kitchen. And that is just 2 doors down from where I live. I like having options. Ow. I'll be right back, guys. I get a rock in my flip-flop. Hang on. Alright guys, I got my coffee down here at the old market, of course. Say hello. That's Babe from the movie Babe. Obviously he's retired now. But I gave Seng $7 and we're gonna see exactly what all she can get for $7 down here. It's already got 2 different types of pork in there. One with a bone in, which she insists will be good for soup. And then a pork loin, which is good for like my noodles or with rice and a sauce. It's very good, trust me on this. Now she's negotiating for the price of herbs, veggies, all kinds of good stuff. I'll give you guys a rundown when we get back. Talk to you later. Alright guys, back home now. I had my hands full on the way home, so I didn't get to record anything on the way back. But this is our haul for the day. We got all kinds of vegetables. We got mushrooms in there, onions, bouillon, carrots, peppers. And over here we have noodles. Of course, got to have the nudes. And a couple different types of pork. There's a lot of it too. That's a pretty hefty bag. That is what we got for $7 today. Good deal. That is going to last us a while. Talk to you later. Okay guys, we're here practicing phrasal verbs. I like phrasal verbs because many times you can use them as a sentence instead of adding more words. So it helps people learning English. Gives them confidence that they're learning something. Plus there are only 2 or 3 words per phrase. So they're a really good thing. We're going to work on the ones over here. We just started over here. We've already been going through here, so we're going to see how she does. Okay, you ready? There you go.
Stand up. Sit down.
Yep.
Come here.
Yep.
Go away.
Go away. Very good. Yeah. Alright guys, it is now Friday, almost evening, late afternoon, let's put it that way, a little bit after 5. Nice looking sky. It's gone from being cloudy and thundering to now only partly cloudy, and I haven't heard thunder in a couple minutes, so looks like the rain might hold off. The meeting I had with that gentleman from Phnom Penh took a turn. No, thank you. Took a strange turn, mainly because I didn't have the meeting. He was supposed to call me at 2 o'clock or around 2 o'clock to give me a meeting place where we could get together. And so I got ready, I took a shower, I had my nice clothes on, you know, all that good stuff, getting ready. And then he just never called, so about 3:30 I called his number, and I'm assuming it went right to voicemail. There was a message, the message was in Khmer, so I didn't quite know what it said, but I did recognize a couple of the words, believe it or not, which was good. I heard them say something about Chmoa, which is name, so I'm assuming at some point it said leave your name. So I didn't hear a beep after the message, but as soon as the talking was done, I waited a second and then went ahead and left a message anyway. I don't know, maybe they don't have beeps after the voicemails over here. I don't know. Oh, no, thank you. Hey, I'm not really sure. But so far he hasn't called me back, and this is one of those situations where you have to tell yourself you can't control everything. Not really more I can do. Sorry about that. My notifications keep popping up while I'm recording, and I know that you can hear the sounds in the video. But one of those situations where you might not be able to control what happens, but you have complete control over how you react to it. And I could skulk about it, be mad or upset, sad, whatever. I just chose not to. He's supposed to be here until the 3rd. And like I said in my previous video, he is here doing things with other schools. So perhaps he just got busy and slipped his mind. And maybe he'll give me a call in the next couple days. Who knows? But either way, my plan remains the same. I'll still be out looking for a job. As a matter of fact, walking around tonight, I saw 2 more schools. I'm not sure if they have English programs or not. but I found 2 more that I was not aware of just by taking a different way. So I'll be checking on those. I'll ask around, see what they offer. And I'm still looking for a place, a business of some sort that will let me use their establishment to teach English. Just need room for 20 people. I would be able to do that in my upstairs where I live. We have that big open seating area. But I was counting how many people could sit in those seats, and the answer is not much. Probably not even 10, all told. I could probably squeeze 10 people in there, but you want them to be comfortable. This is an informal, relaxed learning environment. You don't want them to be all stuffed together and not being able to move without bumping into each other. Everybody needs their personal space. So I'll keep looking. Eventually I'll find something. And everything's all good. Right now we're just taking a little walk downtown. We went a rather long way. But we only, again with the notifications. But again, that's only because we weren't sure about the rain situation. Looked pretty cloudy when we left. And we went that way just because it would be a straight shot back to the apartment. If it decided to start raining, but like I said, so far it's held off. I don't hear any more thunder. Clouds are breaking up. So I think we're good for right now. That's really about all I have. I can't think of anything else to cover. Again, I appreciate all the comments, all the suggestions, and also all the information you guys give me when I say I don't know what this is or I don't know what that is. A few of you guys always know. And I also like the videos you guys link. I like looking at videos I have not yet discovered on things I like. But there's not really much more happening today. Did go out earlier, but I just not for long. I wanted to be sure I got back so I could take a shower and get ready for the meeting and be prepared. But on the bright side, I did get to level 101 on Candy Crush Saga, so there's always that. I consider that a small victory. It's the little things that count, right? I'll talk to you guys later.